Is your PC running slow or freezing because of high CPU usage? Yeah, it can be frustrating when your processor is maxed out and nothing seems to work. Don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to fix high CPU usage in Windows in 2026. Open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape. Sort processes by CPU usage and identify which apps or services are consuming the most resources. Close programs you don't need, especially browsers with many tabs, video editors, or background apps. This instantly reduces CPU load. Some apps run in the background at startup and use CPU unnecessarily. Go to Task Manager to Startup tab and disable non-essential programs. Malware or viruses can cause high CPU usage. Run a full scan using Windows Security or your preferred antivirus software. Outdated drivers or system files can trigger high CPU. Update Windows and critical drivers like graphics and chipset to improve performance. High CPU usage can also be caused by Windows power settings. Go to Control Panel, then Power Options, and select Balanced or High Performance, depending on your needs. If a specific program keeps spiking CPU usage, try resetting it in Settings, then Apps, or reinstall it completely, and that's it. Following these steps usually fixes high CPU usage in Windows. Try them in order, and your PC should run smoother and faster.